everyone, I am Hartung Palan.
I am Jimmy Lavendino.
And I am Rosenda, and we will present our system, which is pizza ordering system.
The system contains login information by inputting your username and password, choosing your desired pizza size, adding some add-on. Also will ask you if you have membership or don't have, and inputting the quantity of your order. Using usernames and password helps prevent unauthorized access to the ordering system. It is crucial for maintaining security and managing access to the system. Username. Each user is assigned a unique identifier, typically a username. This ensures that each user has a distinct identity with the system. Password. The Paired with the username, the password is a secret code known only to the user. This combination is used to authenticate the user, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access the system.
This pizza ordering system, the order refers to the dimension or portion, the size of the pizza being ordered. The size option typically cater to different customer preferences and appetites. Common size categories: regular, special, and super special. The price also indicated beside each category. The customer or cashier can choose the desired size. This can be through clicking the buttons that you want to order. In this pizza ordering system, add-ons refer to additional items or extras that customer can choose to enhance their pizza. These add-ons can include extra toppings. Add-ons include cheese, bacon, and pepperoni. Each add-on has associated price which is added to the base price of the pizza. The ordering system automatically updates the total price as add-on selected. Pizza ordering system membership refers to a loyalty program or a subscription service that offers benefits and rewards to the frequent customers.
By choosing the option which is yes or no, by clicking yes if you have membership card, there will be a discount to your order and it is automatically reduced to your total order price. In this pizza ordering system, quantity refers to the number of each item ordered. By inputting the quantity of your order, the ordering system automatically updates the order details and the total price. For example, if a customer orders 3 regular pizzas, the system multiplies the price of 1 regular pizza by 3 and a message box will show the total price of your order. We also put a clear button in our pizza ordering system so that in case you entered a wrong order, you can erase it by clicking the clear button. The last button is submit, which is after deciding what to order or after choosing your order. Just click the submit button so that your order will process.